We're back on the air. This is Radio Entrepreneurs. My name is Jeffrey Davis, and I'm having a wonderful time because my co-host today is Peter Myerson from the law firm of Cohn, Rasnick, Myerson, and Plout. Welcome back, Peter.
Thank you, Jeffrey, and I'm having a wonderful time, too, as I always do when I'm here.
Nice to meet people, talk to people,
That's
make friends. That's what we do at Radio Entrepreneurs. We're a community of entrepreneurs.
And we tell entrepreneurial stories.
Right. We meet entrepreneurs. We hang out with entrepreneurs. We target entrepreneurs. Everything about us is about building a community, and we promote entrepreneurs. We promote you all over the web, and that's really what we're all about.
All over the world.
I am a groupie for entrepreneurs. And that's what we all are on this show. And one of my favorite entrepreneurs, and I'm not just saying that, I have a lot of favorite entrepreneurs. And, you don't have to be monogamous when it comes to liking entrepreneurs. But one of my favorites, I talk to him every week, is Dustin from J.E.D. Insurance. And he's going to talk about something that my partner's been talking to me a lot about lately, and that is it's that time of year to review your programs in insurance. Correct, John?
That is yes, that is very correct, Jeff. It's a kind of soft time of year to steal your cliche, and a good time to really evaluate things and figure out the process of how you evaluate it. And I thought today would be a good time to talk about that.
Well, even before you get into it, I feel like I'm on the couch with you, John, because my partner called me a couple of weeks ago, and he said, we're older, we're small, and we're in trouble because they want to charge more and give us less. And it's tough, and it's a tough time in this world navigating around and then reading all the different policies. It's unbelievable. And then I had to get my wife involved. And I admit that's tough because she is going to read every word.
Well, and the policies expire at different times, so there's a whole coordination issue.
Right. Oh.
It's just
and the deductible formulas, around the deductibles, you got to really read carefully.
So that's true. I would say from a global perspective to take a helicopter view and start from the top here. So I just want to differentiate the different sort of vendors you might see in the marketplace, and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
So there's direct writers. A direct writer is, the 800 number where you call in or you go on the web and you get a quote. Not much interface, rapid response, what we call point of sale. Not probably going to dig in deep if you have a claim or a coverage question or you need a certificate due to a contract. Then you have the large brokers, the international people that focus by premium segmentation or commission on a large account. Then you have the independent agent. He's your local conduit to multiple insurance companies who can sit down and evaluate your contract. On the personal side, look at your assets and your protection, your homestead, your resources. If you have a claim, you generally can reach out to them and get assistance. And usually they're in the community a lot. So those are the three sort of distribute. Now, alongside that, due to breakdowns in laws, you have banks offering insurance, mutual fund companies, realtors. So there's a whole host of players now in the marketplace.
And you have a lot of unsophisticated users, consumers, who don't know who to go to.
So that's a funny thing because the insurance industry has claimed they've gone to the simplified policy, which in some instances is 100+ pages. So I'm not sure how simplified it is.
I've sort of read through parts of the simplified policy, and it is anything but.
And you get into issues with sort of, compliance of values, co-insurance values, even on a homeowner's product. So you really do need to be educated, and hopefully, somebody honest is going to come to the plate and bring you through the process, show you what you have, what you should have, start from the ground up. We always start from the ground up, and by that I mean if somebody emails me or faxes me policies, I still want to sit with them and meet with them and go through everything. Intelligence is important, but emotional intelligence is equally as important for an insurance agent, and I'll explain why. At the time of a loss, people are traumatized, and they're yelling and screaming and not understanding. You need to bring them a level of, we're going to read the contract and help you, not flip you to an 800 number and push you away. We're going to actually try to assist you, even if it's good, bad, ugly, or indifferent. And if you raise your voice and yell and scream and kick back at them, it escalates the situation. A lot of agencies will say, if you have a claim, here's the 800 number. How does that help you?